Hello, it is January 2023. Holy cow. Mentally, I'm still in 2019, but here we are. So I woke up this morning, got coffee, did my makeup because I had to film some things, but I want to do a collage for the new year. I probably should have done this like in December before the new year, but I'm a procrastinator, okay? I'm gonna do it now, and yeah. I feel like doing a vision board, setting New Year's goals, as cliche as it is, really helps me throughout the year. I feel more motivated. I hold myself accountable for certain things, because if I don't write it down or if I don't make it a goal, it ain't gonna happen, okay? So I want to make a really aesthetic vision board for my wallpaper, so that way every time I see it, I'm reminded of my goals this year. Stick to it, list out how I'm gonna accomplish those goals. I also have to get tax stuff ready because it's tax season. Yeah, there's a lot that's gonna be happening this year that I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. Thank you for sticking around. Your support genuinely means so much. I know I say it all the time, and I'm gonna continue to say it and annoy you guys with all the thank yous for the support, watching my videos, using my codes, saying thoughtful messages. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. I'm just so thankful for you guys and the support, and I'm so proud of myself for not giving up. 2019, I started posting with my little 2,000 followers as if I already was an influencer. People made fun of me. I used that as fuel. There's this Taylor Swift reel sound that literally resonates with me so much. It's like, they said I couldn't do it, so I went out and I did it, or something like that. And I'm glad I pursued it. I'm glad I kept going. For like a whole year of my YouTube channel, I didn't tell anyone. I never posted it on my Instagram. No one knew but like my family. I think I told them. I told them, I think, after I started getting monetized on YouTube, because I was just embarrassed and I knew people would put me down or watch it and watch my videos and make fun of me for it. So I kept it a secret for a while. If you have been wanting to do social media or go to schooling for something or pursue something that others might like, do it. Do it. You never know where it could take you. You never know what could happen. 2019 me would have never thought I'd be here working with some of my favorite brands, having a community that's absolutely amazing, getting to chat with you guys. Never in a million years did I think that would happen, and I'm so glad I didn't give up for what people said. And I just want to say, if there's something you want to do, 2023, go out and do it. My goals for this year, a lot is happening, a lot. I am moving in July, I think. So the place I'm moving to is bright, tons of windows, so much more space, so I'll actually be able to fit I won't have anything at my parents' anymore. And I'm super excited for this new step in my life. And then in August, September, I'm going to Italy and Greece. I have been postponing my EF trip for a while because of COVID. Oh. Super excited, but I'm gonna search some images for my vision board. Something I'm putting on here is the Ford 2023 Bronco Heritage Edition, kind of like the vintage ones where the roof is white and it's this pretty pastel blue or yellow. This is my dream car. I want it so bad, but I literally cannot justify getting a new car when I have one that's not broke. My dad was cheap, so I was raised with the if it ain't broke, don't fix it mentality. Maybe if I save up enough this year or next year, I can get it. I want it so bad. I want a 2-door. 4-door's too big for me. I have like a pretty old car, but it's good. I bought it from my dad, and it works. It runs, so I don't need a new car, and I don't want to take out a loan for that, but you gotta put your dreams on your vision board. Maybe it'll come to life. Maybe one day. really liked this quote. Mental note, take the risk. Don't let the unknown stop you from progressing. I want to travel more, new place, continue with my YouTube and content creation. This one, I really want to get back into reading the Bible. I feel like I've just let life kind of distract me, and I really want to get back into that. Okay, so my Greenchef just came. So this video is sponsored by Greenchef. So thank you so much, Greenchef, for sponsoring this video. After I go to the gym, we're gonna make this for dinner. I'm so excited, but I wanna take a peek and see what meals I got. So one of the meals is shepherd's pie, and then we have sesame ginger pork bowls. This is probably what I'll end up doing. There's the cheesy artichoke chicken sandwich. Again, 2 servings. This only takes 25 minutes, and it's 870 calories. So since they do ship it, it comes in this package that keeps your stuff cold. That way, like, nothing goes bad, and then the meals are, each meal is in its individual bag with all the ingredients. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge while I go to the gym. Guys, I finally got my mic to work. Woohoo! For the past few videos, I've been wanting to voice over my workouts, but the mic has just not been working. So we're starting off after warming up. Remember, warm up with dynamic stretching. We are starting with RDLs. It's a glute and hamstring focused workout. RDLs, remember, you want to kind of imagine a rope pulling your hips back, or you're using your glutes to shut a door. You want your knees slightly bent, and I don't like to go past my knees because I notice that that's when I tend to use more back, and then my back ends up hurting. Also, I'm using paper towels for grip. Game changer. I love that you guys are tagging me in your stories, showing that you too love using paper towels now. I have tried straps, I've tried hooks, I've tried gloves, I've tried everything, and I keep going back to the paper towels because it's literally, it's so good. Okay, so after RDLs, we're gonna do hip thrusts. I do hip thrusts every leg day because they're just chef's kiss for the glutes. I'm doing 4 sets and picking weights that challenges me in the 6 to 12 rep range that is ideal for hypertrophy. Also, make sure you're progressive overloading. So if you're at a weight and you can easily do 10 plus clean reps, try adding 5 on each side, see how you do. If you can do more, definitely add it. It's super important to be challenging yourself. And of course you can do progressive overload with not only just weights, but like reps, sets, time under tension. But if you are progressive overloading with weights, just make sure you're challenging yourself. Time for the V-squat machine. This is my favorite machine ever. I wish every gym had this. We're going to be doing some good mornings. I love good mornings. I've definitely been trying to go heavier on them because I want really defined hamstrings. So for this, knees bent and you're pushing your hips back and keeping your spine neutral. Next, we're going to be doing glute medius kickbacks on the cable machine. I love this movement. I'm going to be doing 3 sets and as many reps as I can on each leg. My ankle strap is linked in the description on my Amazon storefront. If you are interested in having your own, I notice my gyms never have one, but maybe some nicer gyms might. So for glute medius kickbacks, you are taking the working leg and bringing it 30 to 40 degrees out. You don't want to completely arch your back. I'm keeping my spine neutral and just leaning slightly forward to help with balance. And I like to step a little bit further out to have more range of motion. Last, we're going to be doing a drop set of hamstring curls. So I'm going down in weight each set and I'm taking no breaks. If you're like me and cooking is not your strong suit, definitely check out Greenchef. They have easy to follow recipes and their menus are always changing, so you never get bored and you can try and discover new meals each week. A CCOF certified organic company with options for every lifestyle. They offer keto, paleo, vegan, vegetarian, fast and fit, Mediterranean, and gluten-free options. I know for me personally, I tend to get in a rut and end up eating the same thing every day. So I love having the option to switch things up. And it allows you to save time because you can completely skip the grocery store with their doorstep delivery. And everything is pre-portioned ingredients and their pre-made sauces. So cooking is so easy. So one of my New Year's goals was to prioritize eating at home more and cooking more. So thank you, Greenchef, for helping me accomplish my New Year's goals. And you guys can use my code Bailey60 to get 60% off and free shipping if you go to greenchef.com. Alright guys, so here's the Greenchef meal. Again, it's the sesame pork bowl, ground pork, and then sriracha sauce, bell peppers. I left out the onions because I don't like onions. And then white rice, and then I sprinkled some lime on there. There's some garlic in here. So I'm gonna eat this, and then shower, get ready for bed. Also, this is 2 servings, so I probably won't be able to eat it all. So I'm just gonna put my leftovers in a bin and save it for tomorrow. Oh my, yo, this is so good. I don't think I've ever had sriracha sauce, and I think that's what I'm tasting with the lime. New fave meal. Post-workout meal, super high protein. I think this was this the lowest? I think it was like 950 calories. I'll double check. I can't wait to shower. And it didn't take me that long to cook it, so quick and easy, you know that's my thing. Wasn't my usual frozen meal. Progress. I'm already starting 2023 off to a good start. I gotta eat this and shower. But I'm gonna watch Ginny and Georgia. So, toodaloo.